Understanding the term worship community. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, worship community. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you a deeper insight into culture and societal values. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of worship community. Worship community is a compound noun, made up of two words, worship and community. Let's break these down for better understanding. Worship. This word refers to the act of showing reverence and adoration for a deity or divine being. It's often associated with religious practices, such as praying, singing hymns, and participating in religious ceremonies. Community. A community is a group of people who share something in common. This can be a location, interests, or shared experiences. When combined, worship community refers to a group of people who come together to practice and express their religious beliefs and rituals. Worship communities play a vital role in many societies. They are not just about religious practices. They also foster a sense of belonging. By bringing together individuals with similar beliefs and practices, worship communities create a strong sense of unity and belonging. Provide support and guidance. These communities often offer emotional, spiritual, and sometimes physical support to their members. Preserve cultural and religious traditions. They help in passing down religious teachings and cultural practices through generations. Understanding the role of worship communities helps in appreciating their significance in various cultures and societies. To better grasp the concept, let's look at a few examples. 1. A local church group that gathers every Sunday for Mass and other religious activities is a worship community. 2. A mosque where Muslims come together for prayers and to celebrate religious festivals forms a worship community. 3. Buddhist temples hosting meditation sessions for groups of people also represent a worship community. These examples show how worship communities can vary in their practices but are united by the common thread of shared religious or spiritual beliefs. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of worship community. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the cultural and societal context they represent. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.